to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So I'm actually recording this late at night because I've just finished work. I think it's like 10 past 10 at night. So sorry about the way I look right now. I have just finished work and I needed to film this Look Fantastic for you guys. So this is, if you haven't noticed already, this is a unboxing of the Look Fantastic October box. This is what it looks like. I will let you guys know more about Look Fantastic throughout this video. So get cozy, get comfy, and I hope you guys enjoy. The calendar for the Look Fantastic is still available. I will leave that in the description box below as well, just in case you guys want to check that out, which I highly recommend because this year's advent calendar looks absolutely insane and incredible, and some of the products inside are just out of this world. You guys would see the advent calendar, which I will pin up on the little eye for you in the corner, if I remember. I hope I do. But yeah, this year's advent calendar is to die for. It is worth a lot of money and you only pay, I think it's about £95, but it is worth over £500 and it is so beautiful. Every month you get one of these beautiful boxes delivered to your door, and obviously they come in different colours. Some of them have like themes as well, but this is like a maroony reddy colour and it has the Look Fantastic logo on the top of the box. And then something's just fallen out, but inside the lid as well it does come with little quotes as well each month. If you have not subscribed to Look Fantastic boxes, this is what you see when you open up the box. So obviously you have an edit little booklet. It tells you all about the products, what you have inside, how to use them properly, and then at the back it just gives you a little sneak peek of what's in the next month's box. It is worth a good read actually, guys, as well. So it comes up with this beautiful tissue paper. As always, I've already sneak peeked and I absolutely love the products in here. I'm going to show you anyway. So first things first, we have is the Maggie Tone London Wipeout Swipes. These are the eco-friendly microfiber makeup remover pads. Now you guys will probably not be able to see it. I hope you guys can. I've got so many of these. It's unbelievable, and I don't actually use these, and half of the time I end up chucking these away because I don't really use these. It comes with two, so you have a pink one and a grey one. When I done the declutter, I think I had about 3 or 4 of these, which I don't use, so I like to keep them if they come in handy, or you know, give them away to friends and family, or even do a giveaway for you guys. But yeah, you got the makeup remover wipes. Then you have this guy. So I don't know what brand this is from, but it says a night brightening sleeping facial super vitamin C. So I think it's something to do with like the night facial cream sort of thing. I have absolutely no idea. You guys will not be able to see that. Let me smell this actually. That's one thing I haven't done. Well, I've smelled one product actually. It's not really a nice smell, to be honest with you. So that'll just be putting in a drawer and forgotten about. Then we have an eyeshadow. So this is called the La Vie Cosmetics highlighter. Oh, it's a highlighter, not an eyeshadow. I do apologise. And this is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, highly performance pigmentation of the highlighter. Now, it doesn't actually say what shade it is. It probably says it on the back. Oh, it's one of those ones that you can pop into a palette. Oh, I don't know if it says on the back here. No, it doesn't really have a shade to it, but yeah, it's one of those ones you have to pop in a palette, which I don't really have them palettes that I pop eyeshadows and highlighters in. I need to start getting one actually, because I do want to actually sort out or buy an actual palette and then buy like individual ones, so I could have like a proper palette full of like all nude colours. But yeah, it does look like a beautiful colour. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm so sorry about this, guys. You probably won't be able to see the products because it's late at night and I'm trying to film this as quickly as possible. So the next product we have is this. So this is the ISO Clean Makeup Brush Cleaner. Now I do have Real Techniques brush cleaner. I don't normally go for the spray versions. I normally go for like the foamy ones, if that kind of makes sense. But yeah, I've just give this a smell, shall we? Whoa, that smells so strong. It smells like vinegar. I don't even know if I want my brushes smelling like vinegar, to be honest with you, but I will give this a go and see how quickly my brushes do tend to clean, because at the moment they're very dirty. I was going to show you just 2 more products to show you guys. That is called Paradox Moisturising Conditioner. Now, I've had these before and I do absolutely love these. These smell amazing. They don't really last long because my hair's, well, I would say it's long and thick, but it's been cut down to my elbows now. It's still kind of long, but it is quite thick. So full tube like this will last me in one go. But yeah, I do highly recommend the Paradox conditioners because they smell amazing. They absolutely smell gorgeous. Now, the reason why I left this product till last is because one, it's my favourite product of all time because it's one from my favourite brands, but they've actually done like a room spray version. I have already used it. As you can see, it's like a little bit come out already, but so this is the Rituals Home Perfume Rice, Milk and Cherry Blossom. It's going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So sorry if it's a short one and the lighting. I do apologise. I've just come home from work. I'm absolutely knackered and tired and I need my cup of tea, which I've got just right there. Pop on some PJs, get cozy in bed, have my cuppa, maybe watch a couple of YouTubers on the big TV, and then yeah, go to bed. And then do it all over again tomorrow. I would say tomorrow morning, but I'm 2 to 10 this week. I'm actually filming this, I'm actually 2 to 10. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload. It doesn't charge you whatsoever to subscribe. It is completely free. You do not get charged whatsoever. Everything you need to know about Look Fantastic will be in the description box below. I keep thinking my hair's out of place, but it doesn't matter because it's all going to be coming out anyway. But yeah, everything you need to know about Look Fantastic will be in the description box below for you guys. Also, the advent calendar as well will be in the description box below, so go ahead and check them out. I highly recommend the Rituals products. They are incredible. I absolutely love them. And if I can say to you guys to take anything away from this, I would say it would be the Rituals products. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.